So what I'm making here is I call a morning boost or veggie fruit drinks. So basically I press it into juice. These are the ingredients I have. I have small, a little bit of ginger. This is organic ginger. Beet.
I can see it.
Half size. This is big, so I cut it in half size. 2 months too high in potassium. So 1 whole green apple, celery, cabbage, collard greens. If you don't have collard green, you can use kale. Sometimes I use kale and collard green both. Little carrot. So this much, and I make about 1 cup. Drink this every morning. I press ginger first, it's small, it's got a few drips, and then when I press the rest it will push the juice out. You can see just a few drips right now. Spicy, so you don't want to use a lot. And then I'll start with this next because it's got small juice.
What's that?
Collard greens, so you want to put a little bit at a time, even though soft into this. Not to press, put a lot. Beet. Water. Apple. You can drink just like this. Just stir it with a spoon or chopstick, stir it and drink. You don't like the bubble, you strain it out.
Or you can drain it.
Strain it here. Split. Drink it.
Let me see.
Like this. It's good. Yeah, that ginger, it tastes the spiciness.